Today we're gonna build a Demon Slayer PC? Oh my god, say less. All right, let's get into it. I'm gonna have Chris do some customizations on this build, and we'll start with some art for the case panels. RGB or no RGB on this build? Let me know what you think. Okay, so we decided to direct print the artwork right onto the case panels, which is going to look amazing, and what? This turned out incredible, I love it. This is even better than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, now it's time for a full build reveal. Here you go. And check all the components inside. We went with no RGB, all black, keeping it nice and clean here at Meta PCs. Nice. Then there's your Demon Slayer build. Check it out.